I think the first thing to say is there's more people here than there were last year, which normally indicates that people are feeling more bullish. The first speaker we had was the head of Goldman Sachs here in Poland, and I think he felt very optimistic about levels of activity. Gave quite an interesting bullish presentation. Talked about why the CEE region is attractive, for a variety of reasons. It's got higher growth than the sort of euro area overall, and I think our own data backs up those feelings. I mean, the Intralinks Deal Flow Indicator, which tracks sell-side M&A mandates, early stage M&A, that typically is seen by Intralinks 6 to 9 months before the deals actually get announced. That's showing a 20% increase quarter on quarter, and also year on year for Q2 this year, which to us indicates a big vote of confidence amongst corporates who are doing M&A transactions. Normally what happens is a 20% increase in Q2 of this year would translate into a substantial increase in announced M&A approximately 6 months after that, because we have sort of a 6 month lag between, as I said, the deals that we see and the deals then being announced. So we're also able to back up those sentiments, if you like, with some hard data. Historically, the sector has been, attractive for inbound M&A. There's been inbound M&A from Western Europe into the CEE region, but increasingly we're seeing Central and Eastern European companies being more adventurous in their outbound M&A. So we've seen some quite large deals in the energy and electricity sector. We saw a big deal where EPH, a Czech energy company, has acquired Slovak gas holdings into the market, and also acquired an electricity utility. We've seen some other outbound deals, particularly in real estate. There's been quite a lot of activity. Real estate in particular is quite attractive at the moment for investors who are chasing yield in this sort of era of sort of low investment returns and low interest rates, but are also looking for some security. So it's got sort of yield with asset coverage, asset backing, to those investments. So we're expecting those types of deals to also dominate.